Barrier Group's range of wheel stops include compliance polyethylene in yellow, black, grey and disability blue, as well as combination black and yellow rubber. A variety of fixings are available for specific applications, including installations into asphalt or bitumen, as well as both full thickness and shallow drill concrete. Installation is simple and can be completed with common handyman tools. Wheel stops are able to be customized with a variety of standard signs to reflect who is authorized to park in designated areas. Barrier Group has installed wheel stops in a wide range of Australian businesses, both industrial and commercial, as well as private residential installations.